Hey, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Pretty Florals card workshop, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about embossing. So I'm using the Mini Corrugated Embossing Folder on this card, and this one has quite a substantial groove in it that a normal embossing folder doesn't impact you. So what I recommend is when you cut your cardstock, you either cut it so we know it's going to be at 4 because this has a small border. So we want it to be 4 by 5 1/4. But I recommend that you cut it at 5 1/4, 5 1/2, or at least 5 3/8. So you give it a little bit of room for this to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it at 5 3/8, which is 1/8 of an inch more than what you really need it to be to make a card like this. And then I'm going to run it through the embossing machine. So this was cut at 5 3/8, and let's see if it's, yeah, see, it's a little short. So I recommend you doing it at 5 1/2. Let's try 5 1/2. So I happen to have a 5 1/2, 5 1/2 by 4 piece here. And that gives you just the perfect amount. So you want to do on this one 1/4 inch longer than you think you need so that you have room for it to shrink up a little bit. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.